Okay, in this video we're going to go over how to make large platforms, how to lay them out. So ideally, if you're not, super constrained, you want to start in a corner up against the wall. So this will be our first one. I've already pre-assembled all of the frame kits, so I'm just going to start putting those together. So lifting the cross braces over like so. And I've got this one here. So I want to start putting the tiles between these two to start with. And I'm just going to kind of start working my way that way towards the camera. So I'm going to take the next one and just repeat the process. So let's say there was a piece of equipment here that we were trying to go around. So I'm going to set that one there and then come over here and get this one started like that.